Hi guys, how are you today? I'm going to read to you the story Trucks Roll. This story does not have a song, okay? And we are going to practice the vocabulary in Blue Sticker, not here in Blue Sticker, okay? So let's begin. Trucks Roll. Words by George Ella Leon, and art by Craig Frazier. Truck's wheels go round and round. Truck's pistons go up and down. Trucks roll. And look at this big truck. Trucks have trailers. Trucks have cabs. Some hold rabbits, some hold lads. Now look at the trailer. This is a trailer. And this is a truck. Some hold apple juice. Some hold trees. Water them down in the desert, please. Trucks roll. Trucks bring ice cream. Trucks bring blocks, books and bulldozers, dolls and clocks. This patcher calls, says, "Get underway. Chocolate chip cookies have to travel today." Wow, look at that. Super truck filled with cookies. Stacks of puzzles ready to load. Spaceships, toy trains, get them on the road. Wow. Super cool. Haul them through mountains, over rivers, past towns, around blue sky curves, through rain pounding down. Trucks roll. Look at this 3 huge trucks. They look enormous. Steering wheel, radio, horns beep beep, TV in the bunk. We're tired. Trucks sleep. Trucks stop. You see here the truck driver. They get tired too. Stop for traffic lights. Stop for tolls. Stop for pork chops and cinnamon rolls. Yummy. And look, this is a traffic light. The one that we had in the classroom. Stop for wait stations. Stop for gas. Stop for the night to let sleepiness pass. Gas. The gasoline the cars need to move. That's gas. Stars above, like headlight beams, truckers travel, rolling dreams. Then, key in the slot, coffee in the cup, truckers at the wheel when the sun comes up. Trucks roll. The end.